Hello friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable 5 gigahertz wireless band on your laptop. So friends, to enable it, firstly click on Start and type Device Manager. Click on this Best Match application Device Manager. Now friends, in here expand Network Adapters. Now right click on Wireless Network Adapter. Click on Properties. In here click on Advanced. So friends, in my case 5 gigahertz is not available to enable or disable. So friends, your laptop has this feature. So here you will find just you need to select 5 gigahertz and value. So select enable. So friends, if your laptop has 5 gigahertz, so you will see in this list, just you need to select that and click on value as enable. And if you want to disable, so just select disable. So that's the friends, by this easy and very simple method we can know how to enable 5 gigahertz wireless band on your laptop. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for latest update.